Spattered Chapter 2. Starting of the chapter, Shangsho was it awkward. Songchan getting up the car and say, Yangsho, what's wrong? Are you okay? Yangsho looked at Songchan and cat across him and say, Songchan, I'm fine. It's just that this multi-tech to sort out the police is not here yet. I will call a cab to take you home. Songchan denied and say, no worries, it's fine. I will wait here with you. Yangsho say, it's okay. You are drunk. If if you stay out here, you will catch a cold. Yangsho call a taxi and he makes it. He makes Songchan sit in the taxi and say, just go home. I will see you later. Songchan say, okay. Taxi moved. Yangsho sent a taxi and say in low voice, Songchan. And he imagined he running behind the taxi and say, Songchan, 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 goodbye Songchan. To my youth and I to my youth and the secret that I beat deep in my heart. Shangsho looked sad. The sound of horns. He backed in the reality and he said the taxi is not go too far. Yangsho stopped laughing and thought, what the hell I am doing? I am guessing I can enjoy myself in my imagination. Chisha looked at Yangsho and see, is he of his local? Someone say, young Master Chi. Yangsho looked. A person, he said, sorry it took so long to get here. Yangsho said that person and thought, looks like that's the owner of Bushy. Why does he look so familiar? A high school classmate? Chan, that's not it. You? No, that's not. Young, that's not it. Right? Sure, that's it. Sure, Young. I remember now. He used to follow me around the way back when. Why did it have to be him? Yangsho shocked and trying to hiding and thought, gotta get out of here. Hyojun looked Yangsho and said, no way! Is that Yangsho? Yangsho, Yangsho shocked and he awkwardly smiled and said, hey, Shojun, long time no see. Shojun getting close Yangsho and say, fancy running into you here? You have not at the recent reunion. Everyone was talking about you. Yangsho said, well, I was not able to make it. I just got back yesterday. Susan say, Songchan say that you did be staying in Beijing for work. What kind of work is it? Yangsho say, I'm just some no-name actor. Susan say, you really must be modest. He holds a hand Yangsho and say, "Oh, let's go. I still have not introduced you." He comes to Ji Shao and say, this is young Master Ji. Oh, young Master Ji. This is Jingming Jie. He's, he's the vice chairman of Mingteng Corporation. Yang Xiao, you really in the entertainment industry, so you must know young Master Ji. Yang Xiao thought. So, sorry, but I am not in the entertainment industry and I don't know this guy. Yang Xiao smiled and said, "Oh, young Master Ji, I heard so much things about you." Yang Song Ji Shao nothing to say. Shouldn't say, "Young Master Ji, this is an odd classmate from high school, Li Yang Xiu. We had a truly frontier encounter. Why, why don't we honor it by having dinner together tonight?" Yang Shu and Chishao, they don't want to go. They make ugly face. Shushan say, "Come on, you makes me fat. You makes me look bad if you don't go. Don't come." Next scene, they having dinner. Shushan say, "Chishao, hey, young Master Ji, you will be surprised to hear Xiangshu was the only student in this city who got into the Center Academy of Theatre. That's fit accomplishments. Only once every few years. He really awesome." Chishao nothing say. Susan crossed to Yangshu and said, "Hey Yangshu, do you remember how I used to follow you around all the time back then?" Yangshu scared and thought, "For God's sake, please just shut up." He remembered that past. Susan gets give Yangshu to a bouquet and say, "Yangshu, I got this for you." Yangshu thought, back then they said that I rejected all those girls because I was pathetic. No one knows I has not interest into women. At that time, I even told him that he just was not my type. Mm, So I rejected him. Memories from my dark past. Susan say, "But Yangsho is big shot now. What movie have you starred in?" Susan thought. He was so proud back then. He said that I was not his type, but what now? Yangsho say it must have been a melodramas that have not made it to the big screen. And thought, Yangsho thought, I know. He did ask that I managed to dodge my family and old classmate who did thought that this is every did I meet my end. Susan say, "Oh, independent films. You really as classes as ever. It's wonder I I have not seen our films in the theater at the same time. It's better that you don't waste our skill on this stuff." And he said, "Jishao, young Master Ji, Uh, the kid in the uh, Honda, Honda Sky is still a student, right? If we tell his parents what's happened, he will really be in for it, right? Tisha said, I help with the repair phase for now. I find someone to hang things so you can't just stay out of it. Susan said, we cannot have that now. It's my fault. I was the one who insisted that you drive my Porsche car. To show off, I honestly ashamed right now. Jishao thought, it's beginning so shameless right now. Looks like it won't be easy to resolve this. Xiang Shuo said, Susan, how are you going to handle this? The paying cost is not no it's not small. Susan say, oh my hey. I don't expect a celebrity like you to be so considered my come change like this. Hey, add me with chat, okay? Young sure nothing say. He was shocked. Jishao looked at Susan and Yang and thought, damn it. If I was not working with your family right now, I did never agree to sit here and watch him make a fool of himself. Susan will say, now that you have been introduced to young Master G, he can help you out in the future, right? He has connection in the entertainment industry after all. Liang Xiu say, alright. Chishao thought that said, it looks like Shojun is still bitter about what's happened back then. He wants to try again and make Yang Shou his this time.